Hello, here to take you through another circle theorem question. If you haven't seen them already, there are a number of them that I have recorded. So please go and have a look. They all feature lots of different circle theorems. So hopefully this will help you to master them. Highly recommend you also go and have a practice of some other questions as well from other places to see how well you picked this up. Okay, so what do we have here? We have a circle, funnily enough, circle theorem. We're in the right place. We've got two lines here that touch the circle, tangents. We've got the circle center, 0, so O normally, not 0, O. You've got a line going from O to A, so you've got the radius, and you've also got a triangle marked in here. Now, well, if that's the radius and that's the radius, what does that tell you about this particular triangle? Now, I can't remember if I put this in myself earlier on. Oh, well, doesn't matter. And you've got one angle here. Always a good idea to look at a question and just do a little bit of a recce of what's there, you know, tangent, radius, do we know the circle, do we know the center? Is there a diameter there, or is it just a chord? All those sorts of things that guide you towards which rules you're going to use. Okay, so let's have a look then. We're asked to find angle X and angle Y. So let's just have a look here. Well, we've got the angle is a right angle. And why is it a right angle? Because going from here, this line, OA is the tangent, sorry, OA is the radius, and this line here is the tangent. And we know that the radius meets the circumference with the tangent at a right angle. Okay, so that's good, lovely. So what have we got here then? We've got a triangle, haven't we? And now we know, we've confirmed using a circle theorem that this is a right angle triangle. So if we know that angle is 20, that one must be 70 degrees. So once we've found an angle, pop it on the diagram, and obviously in the part in your paper that you need ideally, but you do normally get, if you've got something marked on your picture, on your diagram, you do get the marks for it, but just as a, you know, definitely keep it on your diagram because it helps you to visualize other angles. Okay, next thing then is we need to find angle Y. So what have we got here then? Well, this is an angle with a tangent. Now we've got a chord here. Now there's no angle coming from it at the circumference, so there's no sort of alternate segment thing going on. Okay, what else can we see there? Just give you a couple of seconds, have a think about what else we can see. Well, we've got a triangle, haven't we, here? Okay, so I'm not quite sure what this is yet, but I do know that I've got an isosceles triangle because that's the radius, that's the radius. I know that's 70 degrees. I know angles in a triangle add up to 180. So therefore, these two angles here, which are rather big, I know, add up to 110 degrees because they all add up to 180. So therefore, each one of those angles is 55 degrees. And just a quick recce there, 180 minus 70, I'm going to divide the answer by 2. So if that angle there is 55 degrees, we know that the whole angle from OA to OP is 90. This part of it, therefore, this part of it must be 90, take away 55. There you go, there's your answer. So 90 take away 55 is 35 degrees. You know, sometimes I do these things in my head quickly and I have to just double check that I've worked it out correctly. All right, thank you very much. Bye-bye.